Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Affiliate Marketing Express. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Your time is very much appreciated. In today's video I will cover a topic that you will find interesting. The title of my video for today is Money Making Magic, Master Affiliate Marketing Through Social Media. Today, I want to talk to you about the magic of making money through affiliate marketing, using the power of social media. We live in an era where social media has become an integral part of our daily lives. From connecting with friends and family to sharing our experiences and discovering new trends, social media has revolutionized the way we communicate and interact with the world. However, there is a hidden gem within the vast realm of social media that holds tremendous potential for aspiring entrepreneurs and digital marketers alike: affiliate marketing. In this digital age, the ability to harness the power of social media platforms to generate income has become a game changer for those who are willing to seize the opportunity. Affiliate marketing, in its essence, is a performance-based marketing strategy that allows individuals to earn a commission by promoting products or services of others. By leveraging the reach and influence of social media, one can tap into a vast audience and monetize their efforts in ways that were previously unimaginable. Today, I will take you on a journey to understand the intricacies of affiliate marketing, the power of social media, and how you can master the art of making money through this magical combination. So, fasten your seatbelts as we embark on an adventure into the world of money-making magic. The rise of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has been around for quite some time, but it has gained immense popularity in recent years due to the rise of e-commerce and the increasing number of individuals seeking financial independence. With the click of a button, anyone can become an affiliate marketer and start earning a passive income stream. The barrier to entry is low, and the potential for growth is limitless. Understanding the power of social media. Social media platforms have become virtual marketplaces where billions of people congregate daily. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and LinkedIn, to name a few, offer an unprecedented opportunity to connect with a global audience. The key lies in understanding the unique features and dynamics of each platform and tailoring your affiliate marketing strategy accordingly. Choosing the right affiliate programs. Not all affiliate programs are created equal. It is crucial to select the right programs that align with your interests, values, and target audience. By promoting products or services that you genuinely believe in, you build trust with your audience and increase the likelihood of conversions. I will guide you through the process of finding reputable affiliate programs that offer competitive commission rates and provide excellent support to their affiliates. Building a strong personal brand. In the world of affiliate marketing, your personal brand is your greatest asset. We will explore the strategies to establish a strong online presence, build credibility, and differentiate yourself from the competition. Through effective storytelling, consistent engagement, and the creation of high-quality content, you can capture the attention and loyalty of your audience. Leveraging the power of content marketing. Content is king, and it is the fuel that drives the affiliate marketing engine. We will dive deep into the various forms of content marketing, including blog posts, videos, podcasts, and social media posts. I will share valuable tips and tricks to create compelling content that resonates with your audience, fosters engagement, and ultimately drives conversions. Growing and engaging your audience. In the realm of affiliate marketing, numbers matter. The size and engagement of your audience directly correlate with your earning potential. I will walk you through the strategies to grow your social media following organically, engage your audience through meaningful interactions, and create a loyal community that eagerly awaits your recommendations. Harnessing the power of influencer marketing. Influencer marketing has taken the world by storm, and it has become a powerful tool for affiliate marketers. Collaborating with influencers who have a strong following and influence in your niche can exponentially increase your reach and credibility. We will explore the do's and don'ts of influencer partnerships, how to find the right influencers for your brand, and how to negotiate mutually beneficial collaborations. Optimizing your conversion funnel. Conversions are the ultimate goal of any affiliate marketer. Understanding the psychology of consumer behavior and optimizing your conversion funnel is essential for maximizing your earnings. We will delve into the principles of effective landing page design, persuasive copywriting, and implementing call to actions that drive action. I will share proven techniques to increase your conversion rates and turn your audience into loyal customers. Tracking and analytics, the key to success. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you need to track, analyze, and optimize your efforts continually. We will explore the various tracking tools and affiliate platforms available to monitor your performance, track sales and commissions, and gain valuable insights into your audience's behavior. By leveraging data-driven decisions, you can refine your strategies and achieve remarkable results. Scaling your affiliate marketing business. Once you have mastered the fundamentals of affiliate marketing, it's time to take your business to the next level. I will provide you with actionable tips on scaling your affiliate marketing efforts, expanding into new niches, and diversifying your income streams. We will discuss the importance of building a team, automating processes, and leveraging advanced marketing techniques to achieve exponential growth. Overcoming challenges and embracing success. The journey of an affiliate marketer is not without its challenges. From dealing with competition to navigating algorithm changes, you will face obstacles along the way. I will equip you with the mindset and strategies to overcome these challenges, stay motivated, and persevere on your path to success. I will share inspiring success stories of individuals who have transformed their lives through affiliate marketing, fueling your determination to achieve your own financial goals. Ethical affiliate marketing, building trust and long-term success. Ethics and integrity should be at the core of every affiliate marketer's approach. We will explore the importance of transparency, honest reviews, and responsible promotion. By building trust with your audience and focusing on long-term relationships, you can establish a sustainable and successful affiliate marketing business that stands the test of time. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the magic of making money through affiliate marketing using the power of social media is within your reach. It requires dedication, strategic thinking, and a commitment to providing value to your audience. As we conclude this journey today, I urge you to embrace this incredible opportunity and embark on your own path to financial freedom. Remember, the true magic lies not in the money you make, but in the lives you impact, the solutions you offer, and the dreams you help fulfill. May the combination of affiliate marketing and social media be the catalyst that propels you towards a future filled with abundance, purpose, and success. If you would like to learn our #1 way to start a hyper-profitable online business without any previous experience and without showing your face on camera, click on my affiliate link in the description to check out the online business app. The online business app is a revolutionary affiliate platform that offers a unique opportunity to earn your first $100,000 and beyond. Through the online business app, you can gain access to weekly mastermind training and mentorship. This is the perfect opportunity to learn from successful affiliates and fast-track your way to success. Thank you. And I will see you on Saturday at 10 a.m. Central at the next mastermind training session. May your affiliate journey be filled with success. Remember, click the link in the description to join us on Saturday at 10 a.m. Central to learn more about the online business app. Thank you for watching my video to the end. I'm happy that this video has helped you. Please like, comment, and remember to subscribe, so that more entrepreneurs may be made aware of this valuable content. Until next time, may your affiliate commissions keep rolling in.